Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we'll be solving few questions based on logarithm. Now let's get started with it. Now the first question is we've been given log of x to the base 10 which is equal to a, and then log of y to the base 10 which is equal to b, and lastly we have log of z which is to the base 10 which is equal to c. Now the first part of the question is we have to write 10 to the power 2a minus 3 in terms of x. Now in the first case where we have been given log of x to the base 10 which is equal to a, now this can be written as x which is equal to 10 to the power a. In the second case where we have been given log of y to the base 10 which is equal to b, now this can be written as y which is equal to 10 to the power b, and lastly we have log of z to the base 10 which is equal to c. Now this can be written as z which is equal to 10 to the power c. Now let us start the first part of the question where we have 10 to the power 2a minus 3. Now this can be written as 10 to the power 2a into 10 to the power minus 3. Now this can be rewritten as 10 to the power a square. Now what is the value of 10 to the power a? 10 to the power a is x. So this can be written as x square upon 1000. So this is the first part of the question. Now let us see the second part of the question where we have 10 to the power 3b minus 1. Now this can be written as 10 to the power 3b into 10 to the power minus 1. Now 10 to the power 3b can be written as 10 to the power b 3. And now what is the value of 10 to the power b? 10 to the power b, the value of 10 to the power b is y. So this can be written as y cube to the power upon 10. This is the second part of the question. In the last part of the question where we have a log b to the base 10 which is equal to 2a plus b upon 2 minus 3c. Now this can be written as p equals to 10 to the power 2a plus b upon 2 minus 3 upon c. Now if we were to expand this, we would get 10 to the power a. Now this can be written as this way, to 10 to the power b 1 upon 2 and 10 to the power c which is to the power minus 3. Now we are going to write it in the value forms. What is the value of 10 to the power a? The value of 10 to the power a is x. So this can be written as x square, and 10 to the power of b is y 1 upon 2. What is the value of 10 to the power c? It is z to the power minus 3. If we were to write it in compact form, it would have been x square under root y and upon z cube. Great. Let's look into the next question where we have to find the value of log of 1728 to the base 2 root 3. Now let log of 1728 to the base 2 root 3 be equal to x. Now 2 root 3. How can we write 2 root 3? And root 3 which is equal to root 4 into root 3. So this can be written as root 12. Now what we are going to do is we can substitute this as root 12 which is equal to x. Now this can be rewritten as root 12 to the power x, which is equal to 1728. 1728 is nothing but 12 cube. Now this can be again written as 1 upon 2x. Now the base is same, so 1 upon 2x, which is going to be equal to 3. So the value of x is going to be 6. So the answer is the value of log of 1728 to the base 2 root 3 is 6. Yeah, here we have the next question where we have log of y to the base 2, which is equal to x. Then we have log of z to the base 3, which is again equal to x. We have to find the value of 72 to the power x in terms of y and z. Now, how can we write this? Now, this can be written as 2 to the power x, which is equal to y. And this can be written as 3 to the power x, which is equal to z. What we can do is we can multiply both the sides by 1 upon x, y to the power 1 upon x. Now what do we get? We get the value of 2, which is equal to y to the power 1 upon x. In the same way, we are going to multiply 3 to the power x with 1 upon x and z to the power 1 upon x, both the sides. Now we can cancel this x and x, so we get 3, which is equal to z to the power 1 upon x. Now let us see, we have to write 72 to the power x in terms of x, y and z. Now how can we write 72? 72 can be written 8 into 9 to the power x. Now this means it is 8 to the power x into 9 to the power x. So how can 8 be written? 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3x, and then we have 9, 3 to the power 2x. Now what is the value of 2? The value of 2 is y to the power 1x. So we get y to the power 1x into here 3 upon 3x. And in this case, how are we going to write the value of 3? 3 can be written as z to the power 1 upon x to the power 2 upon x. Now x and x gets cancelled. X and x gets cancelled. What do we get? We get here y cube and z square. So this is our answer.